Tell you a bit about my story. The way I found people to advise me and effectively mentor me was when I wanted to be a trader, I wanted to learn from the best in the world. Whatever career I would have chosen, would want to have learned from the best in the world. So I approached people like Bill Lipschutz, he's the one on the left, when his chairman was Warren Buffett. Bill was global head of foreign exchange trading at Salomon Brothers, and I asked if he'd be in a book, which the Financial Times agreed to publish. So I interviewed 10 individual traders. The book was called The Mind of a Trader, Lessons in Trading Strategy from the World's Leading Traders. And that allowed me to get a lot of one-to-one time with him. I met him a few times, and it allowed me to learn and ask exactly what I wanted to do, try and get the kind of hours of time somebody would want. And he wasn't the only one. There was Bernard Opperty, who now runs a $2 billion hedge fund. I think might be bigger, actually. David Kite, who was a legendary floor trader on the London International Financial Futures Exchange. So I took traders from Chicago, New York, and London, and that was the access. I was a student at the time, so I didn't have a silver spoon in my mouth, and I needed to get access to these people. Yes, you sometimes need strategy, guile, and you got to think, well, what value are you adding to them? The value they got out of the interaction with me, they got to be in a Financial Times book. No harm to anybody. The value I got, well, self-evidently, it took me 10 years from then to launch my hedge fund myself. So that was the value to me.